Hi everyone, this is Thrifty Mama Scraps. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to continue my series of a look back at my December daily albums. Today I'm going to do the year 2011. This is my album from 2011. And this chipboard album came from Cocoa Daisy. And the paper that is covering it came from Creative Memories. And I backed it with just music paper. So this album I created a little bit differently. I started with Advent on the 1st. Our oldest son got shoes, and then our younger children, as is tradition, they got their Lego Advent calendar. We went to the Nutcracker again, which is an annual tradition. This year, though, in 2011, I decided to journal more. Ali Edwards challenged everyone to journal more in their albums, and remember that it's about the story, and it is about the story that you want to remember. The pictures are always nice, but a lot of times little anecdotes in the story are a good memory to have as well. So I attached some pictures along with my journaling, and there's quite a few pages of journaling here that I just wanted to remember throughout December. And I just put all the journaling in the front, as much as I could remember for the month of December. Here my kids are with their uncle and their grandma at the Christmas parade, which is also an annual tradition. And here we are out to lunch after the Christmas parade. Here the kids are sitting on Santa's lap. This particular year, I don't think I went into as much detail in my album as I did in previous years. I just needed to get it done, and I needed to do it quickly. So, but I still like how it turned out. I'm not disappointed on how it turned out. Each year is different. One of the boys' best friends came over to visit, and the kids were all excited, and they were being silly on the couch. In this picture on day 4, here is Christmas lists of things that the kids wanted. I just kind of asked everyone what they wanted, and I kind of made a list to go from, and some different things that were going on. I took some notes of some things that we had confirmed to go to that year. Here's some more journaling. Here's a page that I really like. This paper I know was from a small tablet, 8x8 tablet, I think, or maybe 6x6. I can't remember, but it was a Christmas tablet. And I can't remember who made it, to be totally honest. And there's our cat underneath the tree. And because I did so much journaling on the line papers, I really didn't journal at all on any of the photos pages. And here's day 6. Another tradition we have is eating pomegranates during the holidays. It's something that I grew up doing. My grandma lived in Las Vegas when I was growing up, and she would send fresh pomegranates to us every year. A neighbor of hers actually had a pomegranate tree in her yard, and so she would send us a great big box full every Christmas. And so I wanted to continue that tradition with my kids. And here's a picture of the kids' piano teacher with her first child. And it's so funny, she's still my kids' piano instructor, But now she has 4 children, and her oldest, I think, is about, this one that's a baby here, she's about 8 or 9 years old now. So, funny. Funny how time flies. Here's my littlest one again. This year he made another Nutcracker set out of toilet paper rolls, but this time he wanted the Rat King from the Nutcracker ballet, and so we made him out of a Pringles container. And here's another cookie exchange with the homeschool mamas in our homeschool group. And the 4-H Christmas party. This was something different that I did with different present stickers. I really like how that turned out. It's something I don't normally do. Something a little bit different. And this is also that small paper pad again that I can't think of who makes it. If anybody remembers, just please comment down below. I'm terrible at remembering manufacturers, especially if it was years ago. So this is the 4-H Christmas party again. More photos. And I must have, I don't know if I did some journaling or not, or not sure. And these are some Christmas cards that we got from friends and family. Just a few, and friends and family photos that we got with the Christmas cards. And of course, my son's 19th birthday on December 16th. Always a fun day. And a Christmas party invitation that we attended. And this is a way that I sometimes use Christmas cards. I'll take off the top and just, if I want to keep their handwriting, I'll put it in the scrapbook. This particular day, my middle son is organizing books of the Bible in order. Here's another page of my middle son. They made these in at the homeschool Christmas party, these tree ornaments. And here's some more of the homeschool Christmas party. It's with their friends and some games that they played. And this was our Christmas photo for the year. We had gone to a pumpkin patch that late October, and it was Star Wars Day. And so this is the photo that we sent out to friends and family that year. So, and I made this garland that year. And here's my husband decorating the house. Just a very simple album, not too overly decorated or anything that year. Very simple. Here's my youngest son wrapping presents in the den. And here's all the presents on Christmas Eve. I think I intended to journal on that page and I just never did. But I have journaling on the front, so. And this particular Christmas was all about the St. Louis Cardinals. Our family is pretty crazy about the Cardinals, even though we live in central Illinois. But my kids all got St. Louis Cardinals things for Christmas that year. And this looks like it's starting to come off. Here they're playing St. Louis Cardinals against the Cubs checkers. That was a gift that year. And there's me with the sweater that I got. This is just a stamp that I glittered with Martha Stewart glitter. And these are some old, probably from 2000 or 2001, little images that I got off the computer. back when, before Pinterest, before when people actually had little websites that you could go to and pay to download their graphics and so forth. And I probably still have some left in my stash. The little graphic images. And here's a photo of my oldest son in his Elmer Fudd hat. That was back when those Elmer Fudd hats were real big, and my oldest son was no exception. He seemed to wear his all the time, except for when he was sleeping. It was pretty funny. Here's some photos of it looks like my mother-in-law must have spent the night, because she's in her pajamas. Sometimes they spend the night. And then here's the kids, and this is their uncle, my husband's brother. And the t-shirt that they bought him, the kids bought him. And more St. Louis Cardinals things. It doesn't look like we got a lot of snow in our neighborhood that year. On Christmas morning, I try to take a photo of outside every Christmas morning just to remember what the weather was like. Sorry about the barking. Our dog is just going a little bit nuts right now. I think my husband just came in from work. But living in central Illinois, you never know what the weather is going to be like at Christmas. So this year we had a lot of snow. A lot of years we don't have hardly any. And there's my littlest guy with his nutcracker of the year. Always a nutcracker. And it looks like we got snow. Looks like a couple days after Christmas we got snow. And then I skipped ahead to New Year's Eve, and we had sparkling apple juice or apple cider and fondue and with the kids, and we don't ever go out on New Year's Eve. We just have a family time. So, and then here we're playing Angry Birds, a game that the kids got for Christmas on New Year's Eve. And these are some Christmas cards my littlest guys made us for Christmas that year, and I just stuck it in the pocket in the back. So that is my 2011 December Daily, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you'll join me again tomorrow, and as I continue the series of a look back at my December Daily albums. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.